look at that, you guys. Man, did they step it up or what? You have a leather cover. You have a USB Type-C charger wire. I love the color scheme too. Orange and black. Charger port right here. You can get into some more goodies. So here goes your rope or rope strap. All right, so there goes the inside pouch. You could put an extra power bank in here if you need to. Clear view right there. And then you have your solar panels. This is amazing, you guys. This is pretty cool. If you want a solar charge in your car, you can. Sometimes I solar charge my other power banks, and that way I can keep my power bank charged all the time. So I can put this back in. Now you have your rings here on the side. You got a ring right there, a ring right here. Push down, or you just push in. When you push in, it connects. And even so, you can use it as a purse. If you're on the beach, you can put your wallet on the inside if you don't want to use a charging bank. This is a charger like how you regularly charging up on the wall, but here you're using the sun. Got the strap, and then we'll get more into that. We have all the panels out, and we are going to plug it in. And there you go, it's charging. I know you barely can see it because it's so sunny outside. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cover up the panels one by one. So I just covered up one panel, two panels, three panels. So I covered up three panels and it went off. Oh, it's still on? Four panels. All right, now it went off. The cool thing I have is the BLAVOR power bank right here. This thing charges up my laptop twice. I love this power bank right here, and it is charging. I know y'all barely can see it, but it's blinking, it's charging. So if I want to put my power bank to charge, I can just go ahead, slip it right in there, and right there is charging my power bank. If I want to put my phone in here, I could put my phone in there. If I want to put a different charger bank in there, I could put it in. So I got my power bank, I have my phone. Let me put it in this way. All right, now it's getting a little snugged in there. So I'm just showing you how much could fit in this packet. And then you can carry it with you anywhere you need to go. Again, this is good, especially if ladies want to leave their purse at home and they're on the beach. They can use this as their little purse. And, you know, put your ID, wallet, and stuff in here. And then that's it. You have a charger on the go, solar powered. Don't need to worry about hooking up to a wall. You could be anywhere, at the pool, the beach. You could be at, I don't know, fast food, parking lot, somewhere. You don't need a plug in the wall. So we have our phone charging. It's not that hot out here, so don't worry about the phone burning up or anything. All right, so now we have 426 and we have 16%. So we're gonna see how fast this thing charges up in about 30 minutes. So let's come back out here around 5 o'clock. All right, you guys, and now we are here and we are at 5:08 and we at 34%. Put it right there on the side of your bike while you bicycling and charging your phone at the same time. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.